Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox and review Russian made Vostok Amphibian. Model number 710394. This watch is made in Russia, manufactured in Vostok Watch Factory. It came in plastic box. It's a mechanical automatic self-winding watch. Doesn't require battery. It gets energy with the natural movement of the wrist. Classic Vostok movement having 31 jewels. The case back is stainless steel. It says automatic shockproof, water resistant 200M in Russian. Folding clasp with safety. Nicely polished bracelet. The case diameter is 42 mm. The hands and dots are luminous. Date window is at 3 o'clock. Very crisp dial, very neat. Arabic numerals. Vostok logo at 1200 hours. It has bi-directional bezel. It's a quiet one without 60 or 120 clicks. It's an acrylic glass. It's quite chunky and meaty, the dial itself. It feels okay on my wrist. Sits well. I've got 7 inches wrist, 42 mm. It's really nice. It's got polished case, polished bracelet. My concern is the bracelet. It's kind of loose and it's moving. I prefer something tight that sits on my wrist, so I'm gonna change it in the end. I'm gonna show you the leather straps I have ordered. See how much it's moving. It's got 12-hour analog dial. To wind the watch you have to unscrew the crown, pull it out until it clicks. That's basically getting the clutch engaged, and then you keep turning it clockwise and keep on doing it until you feel resistance. So I'm gonna keep winding it. I feel resistance now, so I'm gonna stop here. Screw back. So in order to change the date, just unscrew the crown and pull it out until you feel the click, and start rotating the crown and adjust the time as you like. I'm gonna do another video where I would show you a quick way of changing the dates on Vostok watches. And the other thing I wanted to mention is the crown itself is wobbly when it's taken out, so don't think it's broken. This is the patent of Vostok watches. So this was a quick review. I'm gonna change the bracelet with the new leather straps I have ordered from Amazon. Let's have a look at it. As you can see here, I have taken off the bracelet. I'm gonna attach the new leather straps I have ordered from Amazon. They cost me around under 20 pounds, so not too bad. So I have put the new strap, and this is the old strap. I've taken it off. when you want to order the straps, you need to make sure the lugs width on the watch, the width on this watch for the bracelet is 22 mm. So you need to make sure the lugs width of the watch and the length of your wrist. So mine is 7 inches. You need to make sure the wrist size of yours, so it should fit you properly. I just simply love the color of the leather. It gives it a retro look, and it's got some extra holes in the strap. It lets air in. I'm gonna wear it and see how it feels. The leather is really soft and comfortable. It's got 2 loops. Sat really well on my wrist. Brilliant. It feels really comfortable. The chunky dial, the leather straps. It has totally changed the look. It looks a totally different watch. I'm gonna go outside and see how it looks in the daylight. Let's go and find out. So here we are outside, and the leather color looks really cool. This watch has a cult following history to its name, above all, not a burden on your wallet. I'm gonna leave the details and the description in the box below. I hope you have liked this video. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to give me your feedback in the comment section below. I'm gonna enjoy this Russian beast for the rest of my day. Till next time, take care, look after yourself, bye.